How to cope up with stress. Friends, in 21st century, we all are struggling to be happy and be prosperous in our life. And stress is the main cause which makes us overweight and obesity. And today we will discuss about that point. Hi, my name is Bhupin. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, stress, if we talk about the statistically, then the stress is the main problem of obesity. In terms of hormonal basis, it really makes a person inflammationable. That's why he became a fat storing machine. Usually we have a hormone which is known as cortisol, and whenever we are in stress, our cortisol level becomes high. So that's why we become a machine who stores fat, whether whatever kind of work we are doing. But if we talk about that, how many people are in stress? More than 40% of the people in the corporate sector, they ask that how is their work, then they already always mention this thing that they have stress because of their workload. So that's why, but it doesn't mean that we can leave our work, because work is so much important in our life. But we must have the knowledge that how to cope up with stress. If you ask a person to work in his workstation, in his workplace, whether he's stressed or whether he's unstressed, so definitely you can have an idea that how that person will behave who is unstressful. He will be good for the customer, he will be good for the business, even especially he's good for his family and for himself or herself. So that's why don't be in stress always. Today, I like to give you three solutions for the stress which I have adapted in my life, and I still practice for these three things which I'm sharing with you, and definitely it works. The number one thing. The number one thing which I like to share with you, that at times the things which are made for us, but now we have become servant of those things. The best example is our phone. Our phone usually is, it's just a machine, but it acts as a boss on us. Whenever it rings, we have to pick it, whether it is a company phone, whether it is any acquaintance phone, whether it is any official phone, but we have to pick it. Even some people don't even wait for three rings also. But at least for some time, just see that how much stress this phone is giving to you. Usually, whenever I go for a walks, whenever I go for the nature, especially in evening, I see usually there is a group of people of 8 people. They are sitting together, and most of them just nodding their head down and just playing, just seeing the social media and all the things in their phone, not even enjoying their conversation with each other. I have, even when I used to work, I used to pick my phone within one or two rings. And what I was thinking that I am a hard-working person who is doing his best to achieve a happiness in his life, but I was just giving stress. I was stressful. I was obese, and I was pre-diabetic. So that's why you should not let your phone to be as your boss. That's why please practice to keep your phone away from yourself, or keep your phone on aeroplane mode for half an hour in your work time. The best time to keep your phone on an aeroplane mode is your lunch time, so that you can enjoy your lunch, and after lunch sometime with yourself. Give your half an hour and you see the magic in your life, and you can see that you becoming more result giving person in your workplace also. So that's why give some time, and whenever you reach to your home, spend some time with your family, because your family is most important thing. And if you spend some time with your family, then definitely it will make you happy. It will make give you less stress. Now the second thing. The second thing which I do daily on daily basis is walk. Usually I walk twice, one in morning, one in evening, before dinner, before breakfast. Whenever I walk, whenever we go for a walk in nature, just have some time, whether you are living in a traffic, whether you are living in a non-traffic place, just go for a walk for at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes in your whole day and see yourself and adapt and surrender yourself. So the second thing I have told you. Now the third thing. Before I start my third thing, I asked to everyone about one question, and the question is what you can see on this copy. Hopefully you all can see. Yes. So many of you gonna say that we can see a black spot on this register, but once again I want to remind you that I asked to you that what you can see on this copy. Then you have said that this I have majority of people are seeing still on this black spot or the dark spot, but nobody is seeing the clean spot on this copy, which is a major part. The same problem is with our life also. Usually we all have some problems, but we don't want to find the solution about these problems. We always see the black spot of our life, black spot of our work, black spot of our personal situations, but not the clean part of that task or that thing. And the clean part of that thing or that task is covering a larger area. Even you can see on this copy also that the black spot is visible to you, but not the white one, but the white one is larger one also. So see that part. I know about this pandemic situation, that COVID-19, many of the people has lost their job, many of the people has lost their life also. But if we statistically, if we talk about, then the many of the people lose their life because of accidents also. I have mentioned many times in my videos that more than 40 lakh people lose their life every year in all over world because of their food habits. So there is a major pandemic situation is already going on, which is an overweight situation. 7 out of 10 people in corporate sector are already overweight. So it is a pandemic situation. We don't know how to have the food. Still, it is a pandemic situation. Earlier, before 1970, rarely we used to see that this kind of diabetes and overweight issues. But right now, even children are getting obese. So it is a major issue. So that's why I know this thing that many of the people has also lost their job. But there is a new way of living is also gained. How? Because right now the world has become a part of digital world. So that's why digitally I'm communicating with you. If now Facebook, if they want to have some talent from India, then they just need to give them a job over in India, and digitally he can do anything. So that's why the boundaries become shorter. We need to see this thing also in this situation. As a part of a COVID situation, many of the people who has lost their job, they have already cracked career in their life. So that's why maybe many of them are new passionpreneurs, new entrepreneurs are getting new shape in their lives. New products has been coming. So many things from the China has already been stopped. India is on the developing. So there are many plus points also. I'm not denying about the pandemic situation of COVID, but I'm telling you that see some positive aspects also in your life. So friends, this is the all about. Today we have discussed about the three solution of the stress which you can adapt right now. The first one is that you just the first one, if you talk about, then you just need to you need to adapt, you need to take care of your phone. You should not let your phone to be as your boss. You need to walk in your life and you need to change your attitude. Now friends, if you wish to start your health journey, or if you wish to lose your weight, or if you wish to gain some knowledge about the diets, then I am giving you link of my ebook in the description. Download that and start your journey. If you want me to guide you about your life, your health and your diets, then you can message me directly or you can contact me directly. I'm giving my all the information in this video. And just this is what I wanted to say. Then at last I'd like to say that, ladies and gentlemen, this is Bhupendra signing out for now. And until we meet again, I just wish for all of you to know your fitness.